Hi guys, it's Emma here. Just answering another cricket question. Today's is about the writing, using your cricket to write, and how to make sure that you get writing and not bubble writing in particular. So I've basically going to show you how to do that. Okay, so here goes. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Please excuse my cricket going crazy in the background. So we were talking about fonts and how to stop them being bubble writing. So let's go for it. So I'm going to select text and I'm going to put in hello. It's nice and simple and straightforward. Along the top here, you've got your fonts, your styles and your sizes, etc. Firstly, go to your style and you want to select writing. You can't go italic or bold or anything like that. You need to select writing for starters. Then when you choose your font, go to filter and select writing as well. That way you'll only be able to see the fonts that you can use for writing. I'm going to go to my fonts. So I'm going to use DJ Doodlers. So you can see here that it's still a single line with a circle. So that's fine. I'm going to pop them up there for a minute that way. And if I duplicate that, just to show you, oops, come here, no, you, thank you. There we go. If I change this from writing to bold, that's where your bubble writing comes from. So the key here is whenever you're choosing a font to write with, and you want to be writing and not bubble writing, it doesn't really matter too much which font you choose, as long as you make sure it's on writing. So when you put it through, it will turn out as writing and not bubble writing. The second you change this bit where it says style to anything else, that's when it becomes bubble writing. So it's not just selecting a writing font, it's making sure that where it says style at the top there is also selected as writing. So if I attach all these just to show you, so that first one, let's make sure to do them all the same font. Let's start with that one. Okay, so that first one there is fantastic fonts, DJ Fiddlist. I can't see that. Fiddlesticks, DJ Fiddlesticks. There we go, DJ Fiddlesticks. And that's set as writing. This one I will change to Fiddlesticks just so that you can see the contrast. Fiddlesticks, there we go. It's in writing, but I'm going to make this one italic. See, boom, it goes straight to bold and it'll come out as bold writing. And then if I take this bottom one here and I change that to Fiddlesticks too, which it already is, and let's make that one bold, that'll come out as bubble writing as well. So it must be writing. So that one there at the top will come out how you want it, and these will come out as bubble writing. If you also look on the right hand side here, we need to make sure that they are set to write. So now you will instantly see they become bubble writing. Okay, so I select all of those and I'm just going to attach them so that they come out on the same thing. And I'm going to make it. And it's going to take about 4 inches, and I've got a bit of scrap carding, so what I want to do is just move them down the bottom here. So we've got that. Okay, so I'm all loaded up and ready to go. Just going to do it down here. As you can see, I did one earlier just to make sure. So this first one, I selected a writing font, and at the top of the design space I made sure that I had writing selected, where you'd find the italics and the bolds. And then these next ones, I got either italic or bold selected and told it I wanted it to write. And as you can see, they're coming out in the form of bubble writing.
Hello.
Which the person in question didn't want. Hi, Abby.
You're making another video.
I am, and you're kind of interrupting it. That's okay. Okay. So there you go. The top one is a writing font selected to write and selected as writing on the styles, where the bottom two was a writing font. It's all the same font, in fact. But I selected italic and bold and told I wanted to write it, and that's what's happened when I selected it to write it on the right hand menu. There's another example of another font. Again, same sort of thing. And there we have it. So there you have it. Make sure that you have selected in the right hand column where all the items are that you want it to draw instead of cut or print. And then when you're typing it in and you're selecting your font and what size and things, make sure you've got it set to write, because if it's set to anything else you'll end up with bubble writing. Of course, unless you want bubble writing, then select it as bold or italic bold or just italic. It's up to you. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.